I respect my Chief Secretary, ex-Chief Secretary, for his good services as a honest man, as a good man, he was a journalist also in his past life. So his reputation, his family reputation, everybody knows. And now I have given a note, Sri Alapon Bandyopadhyay IS, presently posted as Chief Secretary West Bengal and who belongs to 87 batch, retires on superannuation on 31st 5th 2021. He had performed excellently well during his entire service life in various postings and his service as Chief Secretary, especially during COVID-19 pandemic, Duare Sarkar, and during the West Bengal Assembly election 2021 has been our excellence, has been par excellence. In order to utilize his valuable experience, it is proposed that Sri Alapon Bandyopadhyay may be appointed as Chief Advisor to Honorable Chief Minister with effect from 1/6/2021, from tomorrow, for a period of 3 years. Not 3 months, 3 years. The role of the Chief Advisor shall be to advise the Honorable Chief Minister on policy matters on areas they may be assigned from time to time. Other terms and conditions of service may be decided in concurrence with the Finance Department, and whatever he will get, that also Finance Department have already decided, but I won't think that it is proper to say, but he may drop pay of rupees 2.5 lakhs, means 2.5 lakh plus other allowances as admissible to IAS officers from time to time, minus basic pension before communication plus dearness relief as admissible from time to time. Other condition, the concurrence of the Finance Department, it will be decided. So I think I have finished. Do you have any reply for that? হ্যাঁ বলুন। আমি বাংলায় অনেকটা বলতে পারিনি, তার কারণ ন্যাশনাল চ্যানেল অনেক সময় ওরা মিথ্যে কথা বলে খাওয়ায়। যেমন দুপুরবেলায় খাইয়েছিল যে ওয়ার্কআউট করেছে। শুনুন, পলিটিক্যাল লোকেরা ওয়ার্কআউট করে মাঝে মাঝে ফর অবভিয়াস রিজন, বাট ব্যুরোক্র্যাটরা কখনো ওয়ার্কআউট করে না। একটা ল মিনিস্টার মিসলিডিং করছে হতে গিয়ে, ইটস ভেরি ব্যাড।
আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় কি আজকে রিটায়ার করলেন না রিজাইন করলেন?
রিটায়ার্ড করেছেন, রিজাইন কেন করবেন? রিজাইন কোন দুঃখে করবেন? সুপার অ্যানুয়েশন বলা হয়েছে, কথাটা কি শোনেননি? তার তো আজকেই রিটায়ার করার কথা ছিল, কিন্তু
आज ही आलापन बंदोपाध्याय का रिटायरमेंट करने का था।
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट विंडिक्टिव पॉलिटिकल वैंडेटा करेছে, সেটা হচ্ছে 3 मंथ।
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में जो विंडिक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स किया है वो ठीक नहीं है। एक्सटेंशन दिया था
সাইক্লোনের কাজ করার জন্য, জনগণের জন্য, এবং সেটা
ফর কোভিড
সেই পারপাসে অর্ডারটা দিয়েছিলেন। আজকে কিন্তু সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট তার পারপাস বলেনি, তার রিজন বলেনি, শুধু পলিটিক্যাল ভ্যান্ডেটা করেছে পলিটিক্যাল অ্যাডভাইজারদের কথা শুনে। একদিন ওদের পস্তাতে হবে। दिल्ली का लड्डू जो खाया वो भी पछताया, जो नहीं खाया वो भी पछताया। ज़्यादा खा लिया ना, बेसिकली 7 साल में थोड़ा।
So we were just listening in to the Chief Minister of West Bengal. This is Mamta Banerjee, and this, remember, is the entire fight about the Chief Secretary. The Chief Secretary that was recalled by the centre, but he refused to join in because he said that the state has not relieved him. Now what has happened, Aishwarya, in the last few minutes is very, very dramatic. Is this Mamta Banerjee putting out a new dare in this Mamta versus centre fight? Because now, Aishwarya, the West Bengal Chief Minister has announced that she has made Alapan Bandyopadhyay the Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister post-retirement, something that was expected on May the 31st.
Yes. He was there to be given an extension of 3 months as the Chief Secretary. He has resigned today. He has resigned.
Okay, not sure that we can hear Aishwarya very, very clearly. We'll try to repatch that phone line, because remember, the story is important. The story is extremely important considering this new move by Mamta Banerjee, who now has said that the Chief Secretary will no longer be the Chief Secretary, but he now becomes the Chief Advisor to Mamta Banerjee. Also, there are reports indicating that he could be joining this new post that has been offered by the Chief Minister as early as tomorrow. Aishwarya, we hope we can hear you better this time around, but what is it that you're learning, considering that the centre had just issued a show cause notice to Alapan Bandyopadhyay, but now with this new move of Mamta Banerjee, where does the story go, Aishwarya?
Deepthi, show cause notice was issued to the 1987 cadre Chief Secretary, and now the former Chief Secretary has resigned. The West Bengal Chief Minister has come out and said that Alapan Bandyopadhyay, who was the Chief Secretary of West Bengal, has resigned, and now he will act as the Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister, not for 3 months, for 3 years. So he has been given an extension of 3 years. The way in which the Chief Minister has come out to defend Alapan Bandyopadhyay, it is only raising more and more questions that what is that exactly that this individual, Alapan Bandyopadhyay, has been previewed. That what is the information he holds that even after the government issuing 2 notices in 24 hours, the West Bengal Chief Minister is just not ready to let him go. So the issue is very clear. Mamta Banerjee has made it clear that he is no more the IAS officer. So his parent cadre, so DOPT cannot control his movements anymore. So the fact remains that now Alapan Bandyopadhyay is a private citizen who has been chosen as the Chief Advisor to the West Bengal Chief Minister, in a capacity to which he will be directly and only directly advising the Chief Minister of West Bengal, that is Mamta Banerjee, who has just done this press conference, which we've just heard, stating that he will be given additional charges, but he is no more an IAS officer. He is retiring. He is retiring from the services as a 1987 batch IAS officer 31st. On the 31st of this month, he has resigned, and he has been appointed as the Chief Advisor for the tenure of 3 years. He was given an extension as the Chief Secretary for 3 months, but because of this, he has resigned, and now he is becoming the Chief Advisor for 3 years. So it's very clear that Mamta Banerjee is all set to fight it out. She's named the Prime Minister, she's named the Home Minister, she has called them names and whatnot. So it is an all-out fight, which we've seen during the elections as well. But the fight over a bureaucrat, the fight over a Chief Secretary is something which is basically unheard of, Deepthi. We've not seen, not even once, in the history of independent India, that we are witnessing such kind of tussle between centre and state over a bureaucrat. So this is something, the stakes are really high. That is what the impression is coming out, that this, yes, Deepthi.
Yes, Aishwarya, I think the point that you made is extremely important, because is this literally just about Alapan Bandyopadhyay, or the story is bigger? Because Mamta Banerjee, right now in that press conference, she says that the centre is doing this out of vendetta. She says we have not been consulted. She goes public with those allegations. We do not know the proof, the veracity of those allegations. She says the centre is doing this because, the BJP lost this election. So she has obviously made this downright personal. It's no longer professional.
Clear indication, and that is what our sources were also indicating within the Government of India, that there is certain very specific information which the Chief Secretary of West Bengal might be privy to, or he might hold, because of which Mamta Banerjee, under no circumstance, and if you heard in the press conference, she said that the Chief Secretary was ready to go. I didn't allow. So the Chief Minister is saying openly in a press conference that she didn't allow the Chief Secretary to go. So she's taking the onus upon him. So if tomorrow there is a case done by the central government, the Chief Minister of that state, the sitting Chief Minister, the Chief Minister who has just won the elections, is stating on record that I didn't allow the officer to go, talk to me. So she is going out of line to support, to help, to protect the top officer, Alapan Bandyopadhyay. Let there be no doubt about it. And now she has appointed him as the Chief Advisor. It makes it very clear that it's not only about the trust, it is not only about how helpful this bureaucrat is, it is also about the information this individual may be aware of. And that is what our sources were also indicating, that is one reason why the West Bengal Chief Minister may not allow this particular bureaucrat to move to Delhi and do whatever she can. And that is exactly what has happened. That she has allowed him to resign. He was all set to be the Chief Secretary for 3 more months. Superannuation was given to him. But despite that, he has resigned. He has basically retired today, not resigned, retired today, Deepthi, and now will be the chief advisor to the Chief Minister for the tenure of not 3 months but 3 years.
But then, Aishwarya, just help me understand this briefly. He was given a 3-month extension, in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic, because of handling of that pandemic. What happens to that?
There is a new Chief Secretary, Mr. Dwivedi, who is a 1989, if I'm not wrong, a 1989 batch officer. He has been made, who was the former Home Secretary of West Bengal. He has been made as the new Chief Secretary. And there is another individual who has been made as the Home Secretary. So there is new transition in the bureaucracy has basically already taken place.